Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening WhatsApp and navigating to Settings, then Account, then Privacy. Tap each field, Last Seen, Profile Photo, About, to set visibility. Choose My Contacts to share only with saved numbers or select Nobody to hide entirely. Once done, make sure to review blocked contacts. Blocking stops messages and status views. This early step reduces unwanted visibility immediately and prevents recipients from seeing metadata that could reveal your activity patterns. Next, you manage message-level privacy. Toggle Read Receipts off if you do not want senders to see when you read messages. Note Group Read Receipts still show. For ephemeral conversations, enable disappearing messages inside a chat and pick the duration. This removes content after the interval, reducing stored traces. Also customize status privacy to limit who sees updates. Set it to My Contacts, accept or only share with for selective visibility. These settings balance convenience with tighter control over message. To finish, validate your choices by sending a test message or using a secondary contact. Confirm Last Seen and read receipts behave as expected. If a privacy option is missing or acting oddly, update WhatsApp to the latest version and restart the app. If problems persist, go to Settings and reset privacy defaults, then reapply your selections. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache or reinstall only after backing up chats. This often resolves setting glitches without losing data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.